And to kick it all off, we have an amazing artist to begin with. She is very impressive, Haven Humphreys. She's the daughter of Pam Moore and Melvin Humphreys. You won't believe it, but she's an 18-year-old high school student. She's at Grace Classical Academy. She's been studying under Miss Heather for 4 years, and this is her 4th Christmas program, but it is her final because she's getting ready to graduate next year. And she has spent these years under Miss Heather doing different music competitions. She has done even live performances on TV as well, masterclass performances out in the community too. And what's even more impressive is she doesn't just sing, she plays the piano, she composes her own songs. So she has dreams of going into the music industry, which no doubt after you see her tonight, you will know is absolutely within her reach. So, and when she's not singing, she loves enjoying spending time with her friends. She loves spending time with her mom and dad, of course. Tonight, she will be accompanied by Riley Laredo on the piano and Dwight Trollinger on the electric guitar, singing the Christmas classic, The Christmas Song. Haven Humphreys, ladies and gentlemen, and Riley Laredo and Dwight Trollinger. Beautiful way to kick off our evening tonight. We're all feeling in the Christmas spirit now.